Everyone, I am Dr. A.G. Maitli, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Finance, Dr. S.N.S. Rajashmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about post-retirement counseling. So what do you mean by post-retirement counseling? It is a type of counseling that assists people in preparing for their transition into retirement. This type of counseling is intended to assist retirees in adjusting to the changes and challenges they come with retirement and making the most of their retirement years. Post-retirement counseling may cover a wide range of includes financial planning, that includes information about how to manage retirement savings, budgeting, and managing expenses in retirement. Healthcare. Post-retirement counseling may provide information on healthcare options such as Medicare, long-term care insurance, and other services that retiree may require. Lifestyle planning. It includes information on staying active and engaged in retirement, developing new hobbies and interests, and staying connected with families and friends. Housing option. Retirees may benefit from post-retirement counseling to learn about housing options such as downsizing to a smaller home, moving to a retirement community, or staying with the current home. Legal planning. It includes estate planning, wills, and other legal issues that retiree may require. Financial planners, retirement counselors, and social workers are among the professionals who can provide post-retirement counseling. It can be delivered one-to-one or a part of group program. Post-retirement counseling can assist retiree in navigating the many changes and challenges that comes with retirement and maximizing their retirement year. So key features of post-retirement counseling are individualized. Post-retirement counseling is frequently tailored to a specific need and goals of the individual. The retiree will work with the counselor to identify their concern and provide personalized advice and guidance. Comprehensive. Financial planning, healthcare, lifestyle planning, house options, legal planning, and other issues are that is relevant to retirees are common topic covered in post-retirement counseling. Experienced counselors. Post-retirement counselors are typically experienced professionals with expertise in retirement planning, financial management, and retail areas. Confidentiality. Post-retirement counseling is typically provided in a private setting, allowing retirees to open discuss their concerned goals without fear or a judgment or disclosure. One-to-one or group session. Depending on individual need and preference, post-retirement counseling can be provided one-to-one or a part or a group program. Holistic approach. Post-retirement counseling is frequently holistic, advising the physical, emotional, and social aspects of retirement. Counselors assist retirees in discovering new hobbies and interests connected with each other. Focus on positive transactions. Goal of post-retirement counseling is to assist retirees in making a positive and productive transactions into retirement. So, there are the things that can be fulfilled after the post-retirement in India, the things that can be done. So first one is fulfill your unattended wishes. An ideal post-retirement stage gives you freedom to pursue your hobbies. You can go for traveling or whatever thing you wish, you can do that. You can consider a shift in your location to break free from the routine monotony of life. You can shift your location. Next, you can maintain a strict routine. Physical and mental fitness are crucial prerequisites for a happier retirement. Next, free yourself from financial liabilities. So post-retirement is the time when you can free yourself from debts, spending more than you're earning. So include your family in all financial decisions. Any financial purchase, consult your family members and take the decisions. Prepare your emergencies after 60, the probability of falling ill and facing medical emergency is very high. So you have to be prepared for the emergencies. Utilize your leisure hours. So you will have more time after your retirement. So you have to utilize those leisure hours. So some may prepare for going for agriculture produce, and some with the latest information technology using your mobile, you can read the blogs, and then you can go for the online trading or whatever thing you wish for. Invest in low risk liquid investments. So you can invest in the low risk liquid investment, and you can get back your cash whenever you need. Make use of your fixed assets to generate revenue. So whatever fixed assets you have to make use of it, and you have to generate income from them. So it will help them in your retirement life. So all the fixed assets, you have to see that they are put into use so that it will earn regular revenue for you. Next, coming to the hire a professional financial advisor whenever you are in need, and then you have to adapt a strategic systematic with a plan. So final word, there are several ways to plan your post-retirement period. Retirees often overstress themselves on what to do after retirement. Speaking, mental health and socializing helps reduces stress and lead to a stress-free retired life. Thank you.